Today we're diving into the world of personal finance with a comparison of two popular budgeting tools, Monarch Money and Rocket Money. These platforms are designed to help users manage their finances more effectively, track expenses, and achieve their financial goals. Throughout this comparison, we'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and discuss alternatives. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Monarch Money features include cash flow-based budgeting. Monarch Money adopts a cash flow-based budgeting approach, allowing users to allocate funds to different categories and monitor their spending. Customizable budget goals. Users can set personalized budgeting goals and monitor their progress towards financial milestones such as debt repayment or saving for a vacation. Expense tracking. Monarch Money offers detailed expense tracking features, including categorization and visualization tools to help users comprehend their spending habits. Bill negotiation. Monarch Money provides bill negotiation services to help users lower their monthly bills and save money on essential services. Rocket Money features include spending plan. Rocket Money focuses on creating a spending plan tailored to each user's income and expenses, providing clear overview of available funds for different spending categories. Automated savings. Rocket Money offers automated savings features, allowing users to set aside funds for savings goals automatically with each paycheck. Bill tracking. Rocket Money tracks recurring bills and expenses, providing reminders and notifications to ensure users never miss a payment. Financial insights. Rocket Money provides insights to users' financial health, offering recommendations and tips for improving their financial situation. Monarch Money offers a subscription-based pricing model starting at $6.99 per month for its basic plan, while Rocket Money is available for free with optional premium features starting at $4.99 per month. While Monarch Money may have a more advanced feature set at a higher price tier, Rocket Money provides a budget-friendly option for users on a tight budget. Monarch Money provides a traditional, cash flow-based budgeting experience, ideal for users who prefer a structured approach to managing their finances. On the other hand, Rocket Money offers a more flexible spending plan model, suitable for users who prefer a simpler and more intuitive budgeting process. Monarch Money's pros include its cash flow-based budgeting system and bill negotiation services, while cons may include its higher subscription fees and potentially steeper learning curve. Rocket Money's pros include its free basic plan and automated savings features, while cons may include its limited budgeting, customization options, and premium feature costs. Alternative budgeting tools to consider include Mint, YNAB, and Simplify, each offering unique features and pricing structures tailored to different user preferences and financial needs. Choosing between Monarch Money and Rocket Money depends on your individual financial goals, preferences, and budget. If you prefer a structured cash flow-based budgeting approach and are willing to invest in advanced features, Monarch Money may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a free and more flexible budgeting tool with automated savings features, Rocket Money could be the ideal solution. Sign up for your preferred platform through the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and financial tips. Thank you for watching.